In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export code from Replit to GitHub. We're going to move your code from Replit to a GitHub repository and then download a zip copy to your computer. I'll explain each part so you know why you're doing it, not just what to click. Start by opening your project in Replit. Make sure you're in the correct workspace with the files you want to export. At the top of the Replit interface, look for the Git option. Click it to open the Git panel, which is where you'll manage version control and syncing to GitHub. In the Git panel, click the Settings gear icon. This is where you confirm that your GitHub account is connected to Replit. If you're not connected yet, you'll see a prompt to sign in and authorize access. Approve the connection so Replit can create or update repositories on your behalf. If you already connected earlier, you should see your account listed and you're good to go. A quick tip, if a login window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Head back to the main Git panel. If you have any current changes in your project, you'll want to push them to GitHub so your repository is up to date. Stage your changes if prompted, add a clear commit message that describes what you changed, and then click the push button on the right side. Replit will show progress and confirm when the push is complete. If you don't see any changes, that simply means everything is already synced. Now switch over to GitHub in your browser and open the repository linked to your Replit project. Give the page a refresh if needed, and you should see your latest files and commits reflected there. This is a great moment to double check that the expected folders and files are present. To export the code to your local machine, click the green code button near the top of the repository page. In the menu that appears, choose Download Zip. Your browser will save a compressed archive of the entire repository. Once it finishes downloading, locate the file on your computer, unzip it, and you'll have a complete local copy of your project. This is especially handy if you want a quick snapshot without setting up Git on your computer. And that's the full flow. Open your project in Replit, confirm the GitHub connection, push your latest changes, then grab the zip from GitHub for local use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.